finally decided that you are coming over to the green side, but grocery shopping seems so overwhelming. Here's how you're going to be plant-based or vegan by 2024. Grocery shopping can be so overwhelming because there are so many amazing plant-based brands, but I got you. I'm Angela Yvonne, and I am changing the perception of veganism through conversation, cuisine, and conscious living. And I am going to show you what brands you need to look for whenever you are out grocery shopping. I have to give homage to Morningstar because this was the first brand that I started eating when I became vegan. They never fail you. They never fail you. First category we're going to talk about is meat products, because everyone is up in arms and they feel like they cannot do without their red meats. These are the two top tier meat products that you'll be using. Faux meats, you'll find them in your restaurants, and these are the most easiest to adapt to at home because it's just like using ground meat. You season it up, you can do your tacos, you can do your spaghettis, you can do your lasagnas, anything requiring meat beyond and impossible are your go-tos. The only thing difference is if you want soy or you don't want soy. You're most likely going to see Dr. Prager's everywhere, but I like these, but these are for the people who are into earthy tastes, because this is complete vegetables. It's soy free. It's just a different taste, and if you're ready for it, they're phenomenal. They're phenomenal if you're not wanting a whole bunch of chemicals and you don't really care if it reminds you of burgers and things of that nature. But yes, top tier. Another new kid on the block is Abbott's. I love Abbott's, and the reason why I love Abbott's is because it has ingredients that you can pronounce, and their ground meat is amazing. They also have other things like chicken, whenever you want to do chicken fajitas and things of that nature, but we're on our way, so I can show you some other chicken options. Chicken. Now, Gardein, right here, they never fail. They never fail. They have different types of flavors of chicken nuggets, good for the kids, good for a quick snack, like if you want to make a chicken wrap or something like that. I just got turned on to simulate nuggets, and these, you're going to thank me later. You're going to thank me later. I'm telling you, this right here, they're chicken sliders. And they also have it where you can make fajitas. Gardein never misses, never misses. Now for me, when I first got started, I would do almond breeze. I would do all the other ones, but since I have refined my palate, I only really like to do non-dairy milks that have limited ingredients. Like for instance, Khalifa has just came out with this, and this has the 3, which means it only has 3 ingredients, and they're all ingredients that you can pronounce. And that's what I look for whenever I'm looking for the plant-based milks, because it's easy to get a whole bunch of chemicals, but that's just not my ministry. I know Elmhurst is that girl. I live for Elmhurst, It's a little bit pricey, but at the same time, you know what you are taking in and drinking and giving to your family, and I live for it. This is so many. They have cashew milk, they have almond milk, they have just so many different things, and they also have milks for your coffees and your teas. I'm telling you, Elmhurst, you won't go wrong. Now, my favorite yogurt brand, top tier, hands down, Kite Heel and Silk. And I will do a little Soy Delicious, but that was when I wasn't making my own coconut yogurt, which y'all know that I can make now. But when I'm in a rush and I don't have time to do all that, you won't go wrong. You will not go wrong. Now, when you're talking about butter options, for me, it's whatever is on sale. But I always try to reach out for Country Crock, Earth Balance, because it comes as an original, and it also comes soy free. And you might wake up in the morning and decide that you want to have eggs. Just egg is the jump off. There are other ones, but this is who I gravitate to, and I got a free coupon, so I'm going to use it. When I'm going for my cheese, I love Good Planet and BioLife. BioLife has every cheese for every occasion. You want a charcuterie board? BioLife got you. You want a grilled cheese sandwich? BioLife got you. I'm telling you, this right here will have you not going back to regular cheese because it tastes so similar and it melts and it does everything that you need it to do. Try it. I won't steer you wrong. And since we're talking about dairy, I have to give homage to the OG, Daya. Daya is the OG. For a while, it was coming out chalky, but I think they did a new recipe where they have upped the ante on the taste and the texture. So you might want to give this a try again. And if you're a mayonnaise person, Follow Your Heart is the only veganese that you need because it's just chef's kiss. I've shown you so many options, but I just want you to keep in mind that this is not products that is the same. It's just a solution to you crossing over to the green side. And take your time with it because it can be overwhelming because, you know, your brain is going to tell you one thing and your body's going to tell you another. But if you have an open mind and you decide that this is what you're wanting to do, I'm telling you, it's going to be lit.